Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about how to use threads to promote your products or services effectively. Whether you're running a small business or offering a service, threads can be a great platform to get the word out. Next, first step, start with the strong hook. First, when promoting a product or service, it's all about grabbing attention right from the start. You want your audience to stop scrolling and pay attention to your post. Right? Start with strong hook that piques piques curiosity, right? And next, highlight key benefits or features, right? Once you have their attention, highlight the key benefits or features of your product or service. Let's have an example right here. I'm writing a hook, right? And let's have an example. Tired or feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Here's an app that will change how you organize your day. And you can highlight the key benefits of that app, right? Your to-do list. And you can say this app provides you with easy tool to manage your day, right? And so on. Next, include testimonials or social proof. People love to hear what others have to say. So include testimonials or any form of social proof in your thread. You can add media of people reviewing that product or service and giving you the good reviews. For example, or you can just type right here, for example, over 10,000 people already using this app, okay, and trust or use this app to improve their productivity, to improve their productivity, right? And next, that will build trust with your clients, of course, okay? Next, provide call to action. After you share all the details, do not forget to include a clear call to action. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next. For example, click the link on my bio to the link my bio, or yeah, click the link in my bio to start for free, right? Your CTA or call to action should be simple, direct, and easy for your audience to follow. And use visuals to support your promotions. You can click the media or camera or GIF to support your claim, right? And by adding photos or videos of test that gives a tutorial of or a walkthrough to the app, a walkthrough to the app could actually help people understand more about your product or service. So that's how you can effectively use threads to promote your product or services. Start with a strong hook, highlight the benefits, include social proof, and wrap it up with a solid call to action. Do not forget to use visuals to make sure or to make your post stand out. Let me know in the comments how you are promoting your product, and I will see you in the next video.